Hey beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. On this channel I go by Anna. This channel is about love, positivity, beauty, and real life. And if you're down with that, stick around and subscribe. So you guys, I am here today to do an unboxing for you guys. And I've been wanting to do this unboxing for a while. However, I wasn't really filming as much, and my channel for a minute there took a dark turn with my real life shit rants, so I'm just glad to be back in this space, and I'm just ready to move on with my life and do what I love and talk about beauty and do some unboxings. And I also have a declutter video that I'm going to be doing very soon. I have a lot of things that I have to declutter, so that's that, and let's get right into this. I went on Ulta's website, and this is a repurchase, by the way. I like this brush set so much that I got another one, and the one that I have, it is still in use, but I just need to wash them. However, this is the BH Cosmetics Crystal Quartz 12-piece brush set with cosmetic bag. This is what the brush set looks like in the unicarton. And I have not even opened this yet. I've been waiting for you guys. So once you open up the box, you get this bad boy. Oh my goodness, you guys. Like, do you see this? And I have my other one sitting right here. This is my older one. So I absolutely love, love, love this bag. Now, it doesn't really protect the brushes. So I have my brushes from the first set that I bought in a different cosmetics bag that holds brushes in a different way. It's actually one that like rolls open like this, and you just fold it up and wrap it around. This is from the Dollar Tree. I bought two of these, one pink and one blue. I will put my brushes in that too, but usually not my face brushes. I have all of my eye brushes in here. And I just want to say that I use BH Cosmetics brushes a lot on my channel. So if I'm ever doing a tutorial, I am definitely going to be using BH Cosmetics brushes. So if you guys ever want to follow along with my tutorials, buy one of these guys because I use them a lot in my tutorials, and you can follow along and, you know, all that good stuff. But what I do with this bag is, because it's so gorgeous and so beautiful, I put my bronzers and my blushes in this bag. But I do recommend taking these brushes out and putting them in something else. So let's just open these up really quick. And on the box, it tells you every single brush and what it's for, basically. But I mean, it's kind of self-explanatory unless you don't know brushes or know anything about brushes. So I'm just showing you guys the inside. And oh, I hate these things so much. So with this set, you get the BH Cosmetics #1 Deluxe powder brush, this guy right here, and I absolutely love this brush. So this BH Cosmetics #1 brush, this is the biggest brush out of the bunch, and it is so soft. These are all synthetic brushes, the whole bunch, and I use this brush for all around powder on the face and to wipe off my bake. You know, it's a big powder brush. So there's that. We go to the BH Cosmetics #2 brush, and this is the large rounded bronzing brush, and I do use this for my bronzer. It's a little bit bigger than I would like for my bronzer, but I will show you guys in an unboxing that I'm going to be doing soon a bronzing brush that I'm really excited about. But this is a good one, and I am using this one on the daily from my older set. So this is the BH Cosmetics number 2 bronzing brush. Very soft, and you just chisel those jawbones out and get the forehead really good. So that's what this one is for. Absolutely love this brush. So let's go to the number 3. This could be multi-purpose. I don't really buff anymore, and this is the rounded buffing brush, the number 3. I don't really reach for this that often. I just find that depending on what step you are in your makeup, it may move your makeup. You could use this for blush, you could use this for bronzer as well. It doesn't matter. It's multi-purpose. You could use this for whatever you want. You don't have to use it for what it says on the packaging. Do you know what I'm saying? A lot of the eye brushes I use for all kinds of stuff. So we'll go to the number 4, the flat contour brush, and you guys have definitely seen me use this. So this is the number 4, and I absolutely love this brush. Now you could use this brush for cream contour, which I am finally starting to get into, you guys. I'm really surprised with how I like cream products. So this brush right here, the number 4, is called the flat contour brush, and you can use this for cream contour. You can use this for powder contour, but it's going to give you a little bit of a rough and tough line right there, so you might want to just go gentle if that's what you're going to use it for. But I have been recently using this for cream contour products. And also, I know that you guys have seen me use this for baking. So I will take this, and I will take my Cover FX or my Coty Airspun. I will dip this bad boy in it and get a bunch of powder, and then I will just whoop, whoop, and then fill it in, and then let that sit, wipe it off later with the BH Cosmetics number 1 brush. So good for cream contour and good for baking, this bad boy. So soft, oh my goodness. So numbers 1 through 4 are face brushes, and then we're going to get into the eye brushes. So number 5, the large blending brush. So this brush is awesome. I love how soft it is. These are all incredibly soft. I'm probably going to say that like a million times. But this brush reminds me a lot of the Morphe E27. It has a rounded top, and it's really good for that transition shade and also just blending and buffing color out. So this is the number 5. So let's go to the number 6, the Tapered blending brush. So this little guy you guys saw in my gold cut crease video. I love this little guy because I have hooded eyes. It is really easy for me to get in there in the crease and above the crease with this guy. I can create my own crease with this guy. This is a very tiny, precise brush, and I really like tiny, precise brushes because I have hooded eyes. I wish I had like 5 of those, honestly. So the BH Cosmetics number 7 brush is the domed blending brush, and as you can see, this is domed completely around, and I actually use this to pack on color on the outer V, and then I will actually go in with a deeper color and pack more of that on in the outer V and kind of in the crease, and then I will take the number 5 and blend that out. So that's what I use this for, to pack on color. The BH Cosmetics number 8 brush. So this brush is actually one of my favorites, and it does remind me of the Morphe M433. When you turn it to the side, it's completely flat. It is domed. I use this bad boy to pack on color on the outer corner, and because of the shape of this, you can pack a color on and then you can turn it like this and you can blend that out. I also use this brush on my under eye if I really want a smoked out look. If I really want to bring that under eye color down really far, this will do the job because it's bigger. So there's that. So the BH Cosmetics number 9 brush is the eyeshadow brush, and that's exactly what this is for me. I mean, this could be multi-purpose for you, but I use this to pack on color on the lid, and then I will use a blending brush to kind of buff that out. So that is what this little guy is, and you turn him, he's flat on the side, domed, and very, very smooth. Okay, so let's move on. So the BH Cosmetics number 10 is the pencil brush, and if you guys watch my channel, you have seen me use this many times. I will use this in my inner corner to pop a little highlight in. I will use this here on under the brow bone to pop a little bit of highlight, and I will also use this if I am using black or brown eyeliner and I want to smudge it out. I will use it on the bottom to smudge eyeliner out. It is very well loved. So there's that. We're moving on to the BH Cosmetics number 11 flat concealer brush, and it looks like this. Now, I do not do anything with concealer and this brush, not me specifically anyway. I don't know about other people. So I will take this brush and I will dip this into a color, and I will place it right here on the bottom of my eye on the outer corner, just right here, right before the iris, and it packs on color very intensely. Because it is such a tiny and tightly packed brush, it will be a very intense look. It's not like the BH Cosmetics number 8 brush. It's not going to give you that, you know, smoked out look. It's going to be very intense and very stamped on looking, and you can always, you know, buff that out. I use this brush in almost every eye look that I do, unless I'm using the BH Cosmetics number 8, but I usually will use both of these together combined. And then we have the BH Cosmetics number 12, the angled brow brush. Now, this brush you can also use for liner. I have the Maybelline New York Eye Studio liner in black, and I use this brush sometimes for that. I don't think I've ever actually used this on my brows because I don't use like any kind of pomade. But this is a brow brush, but like I said before, you guys, these are multi-purpose. You can use these brushes however you see fit. Just because it says something on the box does not mean that that's what you have to use it for. So I do use this for liner, but if I do get into pomades, I will try this out with the pomade. I do have a brow product that I have been using that I really like, and it is a lot less expensive than the ABH brow definer that I've been using, and a lot less intense. If you've noticed, my brows are not as crazy dark and deep as they were. I like this product better, and we will go over that in another video. But that is it, you guys. That is the BH Cosmetics Crystal Quartz 12-piece brush set with cosmetic bag. You guys, this is a steal. And let me just tell you what I paid for this. So I got this on Ulta's website, and I paid $29 for this. I was making a purchase on Ulta's website, getting a bunch of things, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to grab this because this is a repurchase over and over. These brushes are bomb. BH Cosmetics is one of my favorite brush brands. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I hope that you guys purchase this. This is not sponsored, by the way, not in any way, shape, or form, but I do love BH Cosmetics and I do recommend them. So there is that, you guys. If you go to bhcosmetics.com, they have a bunch of different brush sets to choose from. I just wanted to share with you guys that I made a repurchase and just go over the brushes with you guys and show you guys, you know, what I do with each one of them. And like I said, if you buy this, a lot of my tutorials, you'll be able to follow along, because I know people get freaked out by brushes. Don't get freaked out by brushes. I know that there's a lot out there on the market. They're all multi-purpose, and you can use them how you see fit, like I said a million times in this video. So that's it, you guys. That's everything. If you liked this video, then like this video. And if you like my content, then subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.